This is TJ, your IELTS trainer. So in the previous video, we have talked about the IELTS General Writing Task 1. So in this video, we are going to completely concentrate on IELTS Academic Writing Task 1. Basically, the writing task 1 of IELTS Academic is data description, where we have to describe about a given data. A wholesome answer will be given in the format of a data. So we have to describe what is happening in the given diagram, a bar chart, a pie chart, or some sort of graphs. It might also be a flow chart. Each and every information and the elements will be completely given in the data. We have to describe it. So it's a very easy task actually, because you have answer in front of you. You just have to interpret it and write it in English. That's all. And here you have to write at least 150 words as per the question, but I give practice for my students to write at least 180 to 200 words. Okay. And the format, basically you have to write the introduction passage. Then we'll be having 2 to 3 body passages. You're not supposed to write conclusion at all. Strictly no conclusion. You're not supposed to give any sort of conclusion or summarizing paragraph at the end. You have to just like that leave your paragraph, the body passage, and continue writing your task 2. So in the introduction, first of all, you have to explain the elements. For example, if you get a graph, you might have x-axis and y-axis. So what are the elements given in the x-axis and what are the elements given in the y-axis? And mention the year and the time period or range what I have talked about in the question. So after that, in the body passages, what we are supposed to do is, you have to compare and contrast and also describe each and every element. If I give you some sort of example, you might get a better understanding what is happening in IELTS Academic Task 1. So please stay tuned for the next video for that. So yes, next, the formats. How the formats are going to be. Again, it is an introduction passage, only one introduction passage, and you are supposed to give 2 to 3 body passages if you have more number of contents to explain about. And you have to complete everything within 20 minutes. So first look into the question which is given, analyze it. After analyzing it, just try to prepare a mind map inside you. After that, keep your pen on the paper and start writing it. So it'll be way more easier for you when you keep yourself prepared for whatever question it has been asked. So here in Flying Study Overseas, we give n number of practice materials for that. Also, what we're supposed to do is just look into the question, understand it very well, cross the context, overall context. So it will definitely help you when you write your academic writing task 1. You're not supposed to give examples at all over here. And no bullet points strictly. So no conclusion, no bullet points, and no examples. So only describe the data which has been given in the question. If they asked you to compare and contrast each data and element, just go ahead with that. In some cases, the questions will be like, they'll give you a bar chart and they'll ask you to also compare it with a pie chart which is given below that. So you might have two data in same questions. So you have to explain it as what is happening in each stuff. For example, in the first body passage, just go ahead and explain what is happening in the above graph. And in the second body passage, just talk about the pie chart or whatever the thing is given below that. After that, in the third body passage, you can do some sort of compare and contrast. And please do not use the symbols. Try to avoid the symbols as much as possible. Try to explain or try to give the full words for the symbols. For example, if they have given you the percentage symbol in the question, please do not put the percentage symbol. Write it as percentage. Also, we have more number of tips and tricks that will definitely work out and will give you a very good amount of PAN score. And let's see some sort of examples in the upcoming video as I mentioned earlier. So please stay tuned for the upcoming videos and subscribe, and please press the bell icon so that you'll get notification and you can just keep a track. And thank you so much for watching the video, and please do follow us on the Instagram page. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.